Today we are covering the topic of orthographic projection. I'm going to take you through the types of projection, the views in each projection, and then we're going to do a drawing of a small object to visually aid the drawing. We have a plane of reference with the object in it showing each view. Okay, so firstly, we have your two projections, your first angle and third angle. The way I remember these is the first angle projection has the angle first. So you can see here, there's an angle, and then you have your circle. So third angle, this one, first angle, angle first. We then have our views. So we can see here, this is first angle. On top we have our elevation and our end view. Our end view can be left or right of the elevation. Below our elevation we have our plan. Now, if this was third angle, your plan would be on top. So it would be plan, elevation, and end view either side of the elevation. Over here, we have our object. You can see it's color coded with the sides, chamfers, and it's measured. So to help you view this, we take it from three views. This here is called a spectator. This spectator is looking directly down onto the object, giving you your plan view. You can see here underneath the object is the view. Looking directly down, this is how it will look. Out here, looking in this way, we have another spectator. He projects through the piece onto your plane of reference. Sorry, I should have said that. This here is called the plane of reference. So looking down gives you your plan view. This is your plan. This spectator looking in here, this gives you your elevation. And we have one more looking in this direction, projecting onto the back of the plane of reference. This is called your end view. So now we're going to draw this object in first angle projection. So to do this, we see here our first angle projection. We see this by our angle first. So this was your angle. We're going to start with the elevation. As you can see here, I have my elevation box, my end view box, and my plan box. So starting with the elevation, we can see it's 70 long. And it's step back 15. So we're going to draw that in there. And step back our 15. There we go. Looking back to drawing, we can see it's up 15. So we're going to mark that in. Lovely. We can see at the top here. Now I haven't these measurements in, but these are all chamfered 15 at 45 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark 15 up here. And 15 down the side. So we can draw that in there. On this I have over 20, so we'll just put that in there. And again, another 15-degree chamfer. So what we're going to do is, with a light blue pencil, project across our base. We're then going to drop down our chamfer. So these are both heavy lines. Now we can see our elevation view. But we're missing one thing. We're missing the chamfer at the front. So it's a 15-degree chamfer too. So what you're going to do is you're going to come back 15 and project that up, just like that. That there is called your elevation view. Now, so looking in from here, what we can see is your chamfer, and we can see your side, which is blue in the drawing. So we can see that matches. So when you look directly in this way, we see this. Now I'm going to draw the plan. So again, with my light blue pencil, I'm going to drop down all my lines. We drop these all vertically down. Now, one more, sorry. This is our outline. So, if we look back at our object, we can see the back surface is a straight line all the way through. So we're going to put that in. Along the back is straight down. And coming to the corner down here, it's chamfered. So if that dropped down, and we know it's a 15-degree chamfer. So what we're going to do is measure 15 up here. And we're just going to join them and complete the outline of our plan. That's our outline. Now we have to drop down our chamfers on top. So when looking directly down these, they'll be seen as full lines. This is our new plan view. If we see back over here, looking down, we have orange, orange. So this bit here, that's green. This bit here is orange. And looking back over here, this bit here is orange. So here we have the chamfer, and here we have the flat surface on top. And then we highlight our chamfers. This is your plan view. Which leaves our final view, our elevation. So if we look back at our drawing real quickly, our elevation is looking in this way. So if we see down on our plane of reference, this is our end view. In order to get accuracy, we can bring our points across. We'll use our blue pencil for this. across to the end. Mark that there. And bring it up 45 degrees. You can project this vertically up. We can also project across our chamfer lines. So we can see, looking in, we're going to see a full surface with no cuts. We will see this height. So bring that across. That is being projected across, and we'll go in here. With our chamfer at the front, we can put that in. And finally, we have our chamfer. Now, we'll take one more look at our object. We can see the vertical sides are green. So I'll take this back here. This is our vertical side. And this here is our vertical side. So this one. We also have two chamfers. We have this one on the side and this one at the top. And we call that our end view. So referring back to our first angle projection, here we have the end view on the left, and here we have it on the right. This shows the end view can be to the left or right of the elevation with the plan on the bottom.